Hey everyone, today, we're taking a deep dive into something truly exciting, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck. This truck is a perfect blend of old-school styling and modern technology, bringing back the rugged charm of classic GMC pickups while packing state-of-the-art performance, safety, and comfort. Whether you're a fan of classic American trucks or just love seeing a legendary name reborn, this is one you don't want to miss. Let's break it all down. Exterior design. A retro masterpiece with a modern edge, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a tribute to the legendary GMC trucks of the past, especially those from the 1970s and 1980s. With a boxy, muscular stance and a commanding presence, this truck screams classic American toughness while featuring modern refinements. Here's what makes the exterior design stand out. Checkmark bold, square body design, inspired by GMC's most iconic models. Checkmark massive chrome front grille, paying homage to classic GMC trucks. Checkmark retro-inspired LED headlights and taillights, blending old-school aesthetics with modern brightness. Checkmark classic two-tone paint schemes, featuring legendary GMC colors like cardinal red and alpine white, summit blue and silver, and forest green and black. Checkmark step side and fleet side bed options, giving you a true vintage truck experience. Checkmark polished aluminum or classic steel wheels, wrapped in rugged all-terrain tires for a retro, yet capable look. This GMC vintage pickup captures the heart of classic truck enthusiasts while ensuring it looks at home on today's roads. Interior design, classic styling meets modern comfort. Once you step inside, you're greeted by a perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation. GMC has designed the 2025 Vintage Pickup's cabin to feel like a blast from the past, while making sure it's packed with all the latest tech and premium materials. Small diamond retro dashboard with digital enhancements, featuring a classic horizontal speedometer but with a customizable digital cluster for a vintage meets modern vibe. Small diamond large 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and GMC's vintage-themed UI. Small diamond classic bench seat option, brings back the feel of old GMC trucks, with premium leather and houndstooth cloth inserts. Small diamond retro toggle switches and chrome rotary dials, inspired by classic GMC dashboards. Small diamond wood grain trim and chrome accents, adding that extra layer of vintage luxury. GMC has truly nailed the balance between retro aesthetics and cutting-edge technology, making this interior a dream for classic truck lovers. Performance, power that pays tribute to the past. While it may look vintage, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is an absolute powerhouse under the hood. Here are the engine options available. Fire 5.3 L V8 355 HP, 383 pound-feet torque, a classic small block V8 for old-school GMC fans. Fire 6.2 L V8 420 HP, 460 pound-feet torque for those who want serious power and muscle. Fire 3.0 L Duramax Turbo Diesel, 305 HP, 495 pound-feet torque, perfect for towing and long-haul capability. High-voltage all-electric variant, a GMC EV with vintage styling, offering a 500-plus horsepower electric drivetrain and 400-mile range. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and outstanding performance, whether you're cruising the highway or hauling heavy loads. Plus, with a towing capacity of up to 13,000 pounds, this truck doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Safety and technology, vintage look, modern protection. Despite its old-school appearance, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is loaded with the latest safety features to keep you protected on the road. Checkmark adaptive cruise control, makes highway driving effortless. Checkmark blind spot monitoring, alerts you of any vehicles in your blind zones. Checkmark 360-degree camera system, gives you a full view around the truck, perfect for parking and towing. Checkmark rear cross traffic alert, helps when backing up in crowded areas. Checkmark lane keep assist and departure warning, keeps you centered on the road. Checkmark automatic emergency braking, reacts faster than you in critical situations. And for those long road trips, GMC has integrated its Super Cruise hands-free driving system, making this one of the most advanced vintage-style trucks ever built. Final thoughts, the ultimate retro pickup. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck is a dream come true for classic truck lovers, combining old-school looks, modern luxury, powerful performance, and advanced safety tech. Whether you're a fan of vintage GMC trucks, a collector, or someone who just loves nostalgia with a modern twist, this is a truck you can't ignore. Revolving Light, what do you think about the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup? Revolving Light, would you love to see this truck on the road? Drop a comment below. Fire, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing truck content right here on USA Dream Vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.